Hey everybody, in today's video, I will show you how to auto or purchase your Bitcoin from your Cash app with a schedule or auto investing. So you should first select the Bitcoin investing screen on tap and buy. So this one right here. Next is tap the drop down menu where it says change the order, which is this one right here. So tap on that and it will redirect you to this page right here where you can select your frequency. So if you want it to be daily, then you can choose this. You can also choose one-time purchase if you don't want it to auto invest your money, but if you want it weekly, you can also choose weekly, and all your bitcoins will auto renew or invest with this type of frequency on your cash app. That's all.